Stuck on how to automate your business? Watch this video for my 5-step CRM setup. If you are a hot mess when it comes to automating your business and can't figure out where to start, by the end of this video, you will have an easy, foolproof system to set up your CRM. So what is a CRM anyway? A CRM is a customer relationship manager. Let's break it down a little further. A CRM streamlines how you bring your client into your business. And a CRM superpower is automation. When you utilize a CRM's automation, it feels like you have a team working with you to support you in your business. Tell me in the comments if you wouldn't want a team helping you run your business. Today, I'm going to share with you my 5 steps to set up your CRM. Step number 1, branding. Add your logo and business contact information. The reason we set up branding first is that it will help with step number 2, your client portal. A client portal organizes all of your content and interaction with your client. I recommend customizing your clients' portals for an amazing customer experience. Step number 3, get paid. Set up your payment options. I recommend both Stripe and PayPal. Step number 4, lead generation form. Think outside of the box of traditional intake forms. Add some graphics that showcase your brand. Remember, this is your initial interaction with your potential client. It's your virtual handshake. Go beyond the basic questions and start to uncover what your potential client is looking for, their budget, and their start date. This will all help you to determine if you're a good fit and if you want to schedule a discovery call. Remember, not every lead is a qualified lead. Step number 5, map out your business. This is the most important step in the process, but don't start here first. You want to set up your CRM and get comfortable with the software and then tackle automation. Because if you're new to automation, you probably don't have workflows in place. It is why you are moving to a CRM. You want to think about automation in terms of if this action happens, then it triggers this action. And if you don't know where to start with automation and workflows, make sure to click on the link in the description and grab my free Workflow Wizard workbook. I promise it is the easiest 4-step system to create workflows for anything, and I do mean anything in your business. Today is a great day to start automating your business. I recommend Dubsado as your go-to CRM. Dubsado is a powerful CRM with infinite possibilities for your business. But here's the thing that you typically don't hear. Dubsado has an amazing support team, and I mean they will work with you until you get it. And they are always adding new features. I always recommend that you utilize the tech support of any software that you use. Be sure to click on the link in the description to save 20% off your first month when you lock in your rate and set up with Dubsado. If you want to join a community of women just like you, I have a private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and guest experts to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below and subscribe and share it with your friends. And be sure to comment below if it has helped you set up your CRM. Branding up first. Oh my goodness. Branding is, I